morning, everyone of decent engineering, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to go through a ISO 9001 version 2015. It will be awareness and introduction. Okay, before we can go through the training proper, just want to maybe get familiar. I need you all to fill in the participant attendance. Later, I'll just pass you the attendance. You can fill in while you are going through the training, and also like to get familiarized and in communication that smoothen the communication. I want to know more about you, and then you can know more about the trainer itself. I am as written here, displayed, I'm Balagopal. I'm a trainer for more than 10 over years. I have experience in training. I'm from actually ICS certification body, part of the training team. So maybe we can check out, get familiarized. What is your name, please?
My name is Wali.
You're from decent engineering? Yes means yes. Oh yes, okay. Okay, you are Mr. Lashwin. Lashwin, you are from decent engineering also? And what's your name, please? Vinoshni. Vinoshni, you are also from decent engineering, different departments maybe. Okay, maybe we can familiarize with you. That means we can have a friendly chat, or whenever you have some questions or inquiry, you can stop me and just check with me. Okay, maybe we can check with Miss Wali. Let's say I start first. Like we look at color, what colors you like, what cars you like, and then what reasons why you like those colors. Like myself, I like blue because the sky is blue, love is blue, and very cool. Blue is very cool, and so I like blue. And then if let's say if you ask me what car I like Honda, because Honda always the youth drive the Honda and it's sporty compared to the other models. So I have I've driven also like the Honda Accord, Honda Civic. So I like the way the setup is for you, so I can maintain you. Alright. Okay, let's say Mr. Wali, what color you like, Miss Wali?
I like red.
Oh, something must be special about red. Why is that red you like?
Yes. That's bright and beautiful.
Oh, bright and beautiful, is it? Good. And then, what car you like?
Car.
Must have a reason also why you like this car. Maybe you like Benz, you like BMW, you like Ferrari, or what? I don't know.
I like Honda also.
You like Honda also? Wow. Oh, lot of Honda fans, huh?
Yes.
Why you like Honda?
Because it's sporty.
Oh, sporty. Okay, good. Thank you. What about Mr. Lashwin? I think you are from, I heard you are from the engineering department, okay? What color you like?
I like black color.
Oh, black is, okay. Why you like black?
Because black is like a unique color.
Unique color.
Very especially.
Oh, I heard it's a power. Okay, right. What car you like best? Your favorite car?
I like BMW cars.
BMW. Why you like BMW?
Because it's more sporty.
Wow, sporty,
reliable.
Level. Only that, very expensive also. Compared to Honda, it's so expensive. But you like it because it's it's German, German brand. So it's all very stable but expensive. Okay, thank you, Miss Vinoshni. A bit louder, I can't hear you. Vinoshni, Miss Vinoshni. You're from the admin, isn't it? Admin of decent engineering. Okay. What color you like? Pink. Wow. The girls like always pink. I don't know what. What's the reason you like pink?
Because it's sweet.
It's sweet. And
Like Beautiful.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, pink. Everywhere is pink, pink, pink. No, I think youth all like the pink color. They want go and see their friends. Friends say they like the pink.
Pink is love.
Love also. Pink is love. Youthful love. So, okay. Good, good. Thank you. What cars do you like? What car? Honda. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's a favorite. Honda has now become, compared to BMW, expensive. Honda is cheap but sporty. Youth like that, isn't it? I also like. I guess I am also a youth. Okay, that's good. Now we are familiarizing with ourselves, and introduction is good. While you are filling up the attendant list also at this program. Okay, this is actually you can see it's a free training program, and then of course we will give from ICS a certificate for that. Okay. It's a free training. This free training. Okay. So time to time we do give free training. I don't want to charge so much, and then help the society also. That's why we come out with free training. As you can see, I'm also actually a quality management bachelor degree in that. I'm also HRDC TTT certified trainer, and then lead auditor. I also do auditing, and then for some of the system quality environment and laboratory. And I'm a certified quality engineer in ASQC, American Quality Control, and a competent person for the scheduled waste. CISA and Bahai, dangerous waste. That's a scheduled waste. I'm a competent person also. So if you are looking for waste management, you can call me also. I can tell you how to control things in the waste. Okay, let's go through. Well, you are going to attend. This is a half day. Half day. Let me go through. So you can see it's a half day, and it will be going from. Actually, I put 9. So, but we are, since you are a bit late, some of you will come late. We started about 9:40, and then we can go through until supposed to be 1, because 4 hours 1:40. Okay, model 1, we have introduction, understanding organization, external issues. Model 2, leadership, roles. So as we go through these models, we can see leadership, how to plan, how to develop quality objectives, and then provide model 3, you provide support, resources, documentation information, operational planning, procurement, control of non-conforming products. Each stage you can see QC, Qs, and then assignments we have. Sometimes we have group, sometimes individually you have to answer to the quiz that we have. And then finally we have model 4, that's the final part, how you are doing the analysis, monitoring, performance evaluation, customer satisfaction, internal audit. You have to do internal audit because we are going for 9001 means you will do the internal audit. And then we have customer satisfaction, non-conformity, corrective action, management review is the last one. Again, we have some assignment quiz for that, and then we have to do a review and summary, and then end by the 4 hours of this training module. Okay. If you have any question, you can check with me, or you're not sure. I just went through very fast. The model 1 separately we will go through as we go through these models, right? Introduction to ISO 9001 version 2015 standard. Okay, this is the model 1. Model 1 we have. Okay, this is introduction. You can see quality define. What is quality? The introduction is 3 family of the 9001 principles and benefits. You have the revision processes for the quality system, scope, main changes in the new version. The new version is this one, 2015. Soon also they are going to change again. Okay, and then terms, definitions, and then assignment. Right, we have the assignment. Okay, this is how the system have developed over the years. Starting, they have what we have non-quality in the factory. They have non-quality culture. See, up to start and then ending up sustainability. That means maintaining system, sustainability. So this come to 9001, 2015. You see, then they started with this non-quality culture. They just do production, make. A lot of issues comes. So then they come up with the quality inspection. Some inspector going inspect without no training for the, like yourself going through training, proper training. Still got problem with the products and production and all the issues. So they ask for zero defect, and then zero defect continuously. You see, involving quality control. That means a lot of people involved. How to control defects. They don't want defects. That means product damage, torn package torn, no label, all these issues. So as they go, you can see improvement. So performance increasing. Also the time duration last many years ago, 50 years ago was here. Now it's improved 50 or 60 years, and the 1950s. No? Until now is 2024 and 25. Now it is going into the sustainable system. As you can see, slowly they introduce continuously improvement, customer satisfaction, consistency. I mean, always satisfy the customer. What they want, we give. We cannot say one time we give, okay, next time it's not okay. Cannot, because the customer consistently quality is okay. So they come out with the compliance, performance, and so. You see here, 2008. Last time before this is 2008 version. 2008. Now 2015, so it's about 7 years now. So soon they will come out with 2025, this year 2025, new set of quality program. Standard, this is a standard. Okay. You also have to buy later, if your company is going to introduce 9001, you have to buy the standard, right? Okay. Later also I can show you. The standards are here. Standards are something like this. The standards are this will be the standards. Okay, last we come down to. Okay, you can see here. This one all. Make sure you all remember a bit. Afterward, got quiz question. Remember this is the main objective. ISO standard 1, 2. Ensure why they have the ISO standard, because ensure organization consistently provide conforming products and services. So this time I mentioned product service consistently, okay, good, consistently. So provide conforming, that means meeting customers' requirement, customer specification, what the customer want, fit for use, what they call that means quality culture. So product conform to service also, what like dispatch on time, proper labeling also is quality. Is a product service like delivery all they make. Like maybe you have a logistic in you. You say the customer 9 o'clock I will be there, deliver. Then you go 10 o'clock, no quality. No. So what the other one, second one is enhance customer satisfaction. Customer always happy. And customer is always right. We cannot say wrong or right. Okay. Key implemented philosophy. What is this philosophy? So there is a philosophy, process, approach. Later we can see. Then PDCA: plan, do, check, and act. I mean, always in your life also, in your daily work, in your kitchen work, you can apply this. Plan it, then you do it, then check again, okay or not, then take action. That's why PDCA. Everywhere, your personal life also you can use it in your kitchen work, anywhere. Even let's say you got a marriage plan, then you execute, check whether everything okay, then take the action, improve it. So everywhere you are planning the thing. So the next one is Risk based. Nowadays, all they are asking for the risk based thinking. Risk based thinking. If I do this, what happens? What is the risk? Let's say if I go from here to Klang, what is the risk when you are driving? Maybe someone motorbike coming, crossing cross, or the other way is that people are crossing the red line, suddenly they come in when you are in green also. So a lot of risk. So business also they think of when they invest, what is the risk? Like okay, company running, what is the company running? What is the risk? People are absent. People on medical, people not performing work properly, and not educated. So all these are risks. So you can think about. So there's a. This is remember this is the most important thing. Like how you key implementation philosophy is process approach. Process means one. Let's say logistic to delivery. So it's a process link. Then you look at planning. And production to marketing. So it's all a link, process link. Just now I mentioned about PDCA already. Right? You look at these principles of the ISO law. So you have defined the organization, job responsibility. These are principles. Just to go to clearly defined procedures or documentation information. If you are not answering English in BAS also you have if can organization dan tanggung jawab. So you have the maybe your some Malay medium like maybe nowadays because you are coming from Malay, so you can Bahasa Malaysia also here. Clearly defined procedure and documentation information, controlled documentation. So document terkawal means control and then easily traceable record mudah bisa. So it bahas also here. Monitoring feedback system, corrective action tindakan pembetulkan. Address risk and opportunity, clear systems of communication system. So in we have both language also. You can look at that. So the scope of the ISO 9001 and organization is to. So, like yourself, this engineering company is an organization. Need to do what? Demonstrate its ability to constantly provide products and service that meets customer applicable statutory and applicable requirements. And B, A is this one. This is the scope. Shall enhance customer satisfaction through the effective application of the system, including processes for improvement of the system and the assurance of conformity to custom and statutory and regulatory requirements. So note, statutory and regulatory requirement can be expressed as legal requirements. So your legal requirement company must have what? SSM license, operation license, MBK license, because you are in the area, this town area called Bandar. So you have legal. Someone legal, customer also got legal requirements, isn't it? Customer, certain country like China, their own labeling, their own requirements. So it's a legal requirements, right? Product requirement. Maybe a product requirements also, FDA in USA, FDA requirements, FDA requirements, pharmaceutical requirements. So you make medicine means then you require pharmaceutical specifications you meet, right? When determining the scope, organization shall consider, like a basic engineering shall consider external internal issues. This is the clause of the standard. Just now I show you the standard. Under that 4.1, this is the starting clause now. External internal issue. Requirement of relevant interested parties referred to 4.2. Products and service of the organization. So this is the shall consider when you are looking at the scope of the ISO 9001. This is external. This is the beginning of the standard itself, external internal context. So as you can see, understanding the external context can be facilitated by considering issues arise from legal, technological, competitive, market culture, social, economic environments, whether international or national or regional. That's external. Internal, you see, can be facilitated by considering issues related to culture, your company culture. Company got Indians or Malays or Chinese or Sabans. So they look at the culture, knowledge and performance of the organization. So organization maybe have a lot of like engineering, and then they have the HR. So all they have the knowledge and performance of the organization. This is internal. This is external. External, you can see legal, technology, competitive, market, social and economic. So okay, and almost okay. That's for the context. Any question there you can ask me. Interested parties. Who are the parties interested in your company? Government, shareholder, the employees are internal. Employees also interested. They must get good salary, good medical benefits. Also, that's interested parties. Okay. So interested can be internal, like employees, like management, or like internal. External means customer, supplier. So government bodies, authority, all are external. So you can see interested parties, organization shall determine interested parties are relevant to quality management system. So this ISO9001. The requirement of these interested parties that are relevant to the organization's quality system management. The organization shall monitor and review information about these interested parties and requirements. This is quite new also compared to the 2008. Evidence need to maintain log register of the above interested parties. So what they are saying is that you put a table out, then you mention who are the interested. Just now I mentioned, like let's say authority, like let's say OSHA, safety, or you can say like HR, HRD, they have requirements. So what are the requirements? What is it? So you make a like a table and then put what are the requirements. Like employee, what is the interest? Salary, good bonus, things like that. Then you can put it down. So far no questions. Then we can go to the. These all are not mandatory. That means last time it was mandatory, must have. Now it's no need to have. So what you don't need to have is the quality manual, quality plan. So now they are more relaxed on documentation, right? The quality manager representative, that means earlier we used to have one person, particularly for the representative. They call QM representative, quality management representative. Now no need ready. Now you don't need any of the management staff can take the role as QMR. There's no mention of mandatory procedure. Procedure also they don't say like you must have this procedure, this procedure, training procedure or complaint procedure. Is up to the organization, up to decent engineering, right? Okay, and then although clause 6.1 specify the organization shall plan actions to address risk, there is no requirement for formal method risk management process or documented risk management. Here also they say you don't have to document, you have to practice only. You don't document. The preventive action requirement has been removed because it's expressed to the risk-based thinking. So they took out this one. Last time they had this preventive action. Continue with that, and then the new standard does not refer exclusion in its QMS. The owners can only decide that the requirement is not applicable. Its decision will not result in failure to achieve conformity of products or service. There is no requirement or standard for the structure of terminology to be applied to the documentation information of the. So here also they say these all are not necessary, not mandatory. Here is the significant. So now you're looking at this one. The standard starts with the 4.1 and then it goes until 10. So start with the 4.1, and then 4.2, then 4.3, and then it'll go to like 5, 5.1, 5.2, something like that. So you can see replaced by the product and service. The term product now replace product and service. the two new clause relate to contacts of the organization. One is understanding the organization and its contacts. Two is understanding the needs and expectations of interested parties, right? The requirement to use a process approach has been more explicit by adding a new clause, process approach. So, and then number 4 is the standard does not include specific clause for preventive action, and then documentation records replaced by documentation information, and then control of external. Number 6, provision of goods and service address all the forms of the external provision. Supplier is now addressed as external provider. So supplier last time, now you call external provider. The term continuous improvement has been replaced with improvement. So these are the changes only in the standard. They're talking about the change in the standard. This is what we call is now process approach. These are the elements here. Okay. Now we will talk about the process approach of an organization. You can see, apply the following standards: identify, plan, implement, measure, analyze, improve. These are the how you adopt the process approach. Right? Later we talk the detail on this. The thinking now. Is it thinking? This one is thinking. That's a club. Okay. Any questions so far? You can raise your hands and then I can explain some things. How can a process be measured? This one also how you measure the process. You typically factors that are used to consider is I never measure of the process control process. So through the conformity of requirement, can you conform to the product quality? No, it is passed or not passed, or it meets the customer. So it's conform. Satisfaction, you can send like a survey to the customer, and then they will mark you 80% or 90% you're okay. They will look at your cost, the delivery, the quality of the products, the labeling and things like that. So you can do that by survey of customer satisfaction. Supply performance, you have to evaluate the supplier. Let's say your supplier deliver you empty box. So you have to evaluate them. The supplier is sent whether they are okay in quality, packing, okay, on time or not. The supplier sends it up to, let's say, this engineering, okay. And then, so you have the on-time delivery, lead time, failure rate, waste, how much waste in your production or in the administration, process cost, then the incident frequency. Anything happen incident? Maybe something happen in incident. Maybe like it is a quality incident or it's a safety incident. Some things are happening like a safety, like actually it goes under the safety requirements. No? Just now you talk about the plan, do, check, act, isn't it? Now you can see very detailed. Maybe this also later I ask you on assignments you use. So you like what is PDCA? Then you can look at this slide later. You can look at your own notes that you have. Plan means what? Do means what? Check means what? Act. So PDCA. So this you can apply also in personal life, right? This is how to improve quality PDCA. You see, plan, do, check, act, then going up and up. For the continuous increment improvement. You one stage to another stage, check again. Plan, do, check, then plan, do, check. So it is. This is that means PDCA cycle. This is Deming is the quality guru. The 1960s is the guru of quality. He has wrote many books, and then even in ASQC, I have used this book very detailed on quality control, performance, and assurance. This is the process approach. This is how is it plan, do, check, act. This whole thing is ISO 9001. You can see I told you just now, start with the 4, 4.1, 4.2, and then you go to 5, leadership 5, and then you go to planning 6, and then support. Support means what? you have training, you have resources, people, structure, furnitures, company building structures, all come under the support. And the operation, how you operate, how you make products, how you are dealing with the quality of the product. Operation, that means how the machines are running, you are in operation, so like a human resource in your company are doing the work, proper work, how you are doing the proper work is operational, all this. And then come to 8, you evaluate, check, do, and then you are checking. Here is a performance, actually you check. Audit is here, complaint management is here under here, management review under here. So after your check, then you improve. Number 10, you improve. That means you take whatever improvement from all these checking, internal audit, management review, brainstorming, and then evaluation of all the data is here. Then you improve. Again, after improve, you go back. You make better plan, act, and then do the planning again. Again, this is a cycle, up and down, you can improve, right? That's why the customer becomes satisfied. After you have the results of the QMS, product and service will be very good, right? This is model 2 also, leadership and planning. This model 1 we have just covered. Any question then you can ask. So leadership means the management. Can be management, CEO, can be manager, quality manager, production manager, engineering manager. It can be also the supervisor, higher level, executive level, come under all leadership. Leadership, 7 quality and principles. Here the quality 7 principles they have. And then the management commitment, policies, they draw up the policy, which direction the 9001 shall be applied. What is the policy? That means sometimes they write a policy and hang, you must memorize what is the policy in the company. Like this in engineering, they say total, all depend, normally it will go focus to customer satisfaction, total customer satisfaction, the policy. So how you work out. Then the roles, responsibility, authority, that means Madam Ali got maybe in the admin or whatever HR. Then what is the role? Role to check the people, take the attendance, even if they are MC and salary all is paid. So she is in charge. So the management will give her a roles and responsibility what to do. So assign. Like maybe Lashwin, Mr. Lashwin, your roles and responsibility maybe engineering, maintenance plan, PPM, the preventive maintenance, and then how much the trucks are coming in and going, all